Welcome to this short tutorial on how to set up an out-of-office message in the Outlook mobile app. This feature is perfect for letting your colleagues and clients know that you're away from work and unable to respond to emails immediately. Let's get started. First, open the Outlook mobile app on your device. Next, tap on your profile picture icon located in the top left corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left to access the settings. Once you're on the settings page, look for the option labeled Automatic Replies and tap on it. You'll see a switch for enabling automatic replies. Toggle this switch to turn on automatic replies. Now tap on Reply to Everyone to set up your out-of-office message for anyone who emails you during your absence. In the text box, type your out-of-office message. Be sure to include details such as when you'll be back and any other relevant information. For example, you might write something like, "I'm currently out of the office and will return on date." Make sure your message is clear and concise so people know when to expect a response from you. Once you're happy with your message, go back to the previous screen and tap on the checkmark icon in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set your out-of-office message in the Outlook mobile app. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.